morning, beautiful people. How y'all doing this morning? Welcome back to another video. Happy Vlogtober 28th. Yes, y'all. Moving right along. How's everybody's morning? Mine is amazing. I'm gonna put on some thick Scala. Now this is almost about out. I'm so grateful. I'm grateful that I was able to use it without, wasting somebody's money. We got about, y'all see that? That much left, a little bit. And then I'm gonna follow it with some, Woody One. I forgot, it rubbed off on the bottom, but that's what, come on camera. Can y'all see that? Sorry guys. Focus camera so they can see what I'm talking about. There it is. Forget it. It's Woody One, y'all, okay? Sorry. It smells so good. So good. So yeah, guys, we're going to take a little small field trip today. Really small. I'm going to go to the BINS. This is what I be putting on my eyebrows too, y'all. Yeah. To make them look full, just use a mascara. Don't it look a little fuller? But yeah, I'm going to go to the BINS. I'm going to go to Goodwill. Because I did look on, I did go on Amazon and look for the other Nicole Miller New York coffee cup. Even I went for the discontinued stuff and they didn't have it. So there's no luck there. So I'm going to try Goodwill again. And if we see anything in there, I will try to bring you guys along for whatever it is that I see or try to even pick up. So that should be exciting. And at the BINS, I'm just really looking to see, because today is $2 day. And I was trying to, like when I would go, most of the time I would go on dollar day. So today I have a little time before me. So I'm going to try to do that for the time that I have before me and see how it works out for me. So those are my plans for right now. This morning, I hope I didn't put too much. We will see. Oh, I guess the more I do it, the better that I get. I just really put it like, I got high cheekbones. I just try to put it on there to enhance it. This is really just for fall, y'all, for real. That's it. So, I think that's too much. Lord have mercy, wait a minute. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and make me a, y'all look at that. I'm going to go and make me a really nice, healthy smoothie this morning to get my day started. I already took my vinegar and apple cider, drank my water. So, yeah. Hold the line, y'all. Hold the line. 1 second. All right. Let's try to tackle this hair, y'all. Look at that. Now, I combed my hair out the other day, and I twisted it up in some bigger, but look at that. Twisted it up in some bigger ones. So, we're going to see how she'll lay down today. So, those are fat and juicy. Look at that. So, yeah, I'll see you guys momentarily, okay? This is how she turned out. She's not behaving, but she's big, and I like it. So this is I'm gonna put a hat on anyway, my flop hat over this, but I just said I'd keep these two little things there. I like it. That's all that matters, right? I had to come back and show you. I'm loving the outfit. Look at the outfit of the day. Ain't that cute? Y'all already know. Buy yesterday, well, buy today, wear tomorrow for me. Look at that. Now, she did shrink a little bit. I put her in the dryer because this was a large, and I don't wear a size large. So, yeah, but guys, look at that. Goes super cute. Isn't that cute? Oh, But guys, I got on my Toms, my beige Toms to go with the beige sweater, cardigan. Super, super duper. This is outfit of the day, y'all. I gotta go. But I was like, oh my God, it's so cute. It's so cute and it's warm. Toasty. So it's a little hole here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a little hole there, and then there's a little hole right here. But honey, it doesn't even matter because she's wearing it. Got on my belt. I gotta go, y'all. I'll see y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed that beautiful scenery. They're doing work over there in that area, so I couldn't get a whole lot. I had to watch what I was doing. That's why my camera was shaking. But let me see. I'm trying to remember what I said what the mission was for today. Oh, comforter. Even black shams or something to match a comforter. I don't know. Not a comforter. If I find a comforter, that's great. If I find a duvet, that's great. And then too, like I said, the coffee cup. So that is it, y'all. So ladies, let's be kind to one another, okay? Let's learn love and kindness towards one another. I'm not jealous of no one, y'all. None of my friends, what they have, or none of that stuff. Because again, you got to think, we're all different. We're all created. We have our own uniqueness about one another. And you get what you can from people. And what you don't like, you don't have to take it. And you don't have to be around them. You know what I mean? But I do believe we all need to grow closer together as one unity, especially us brown folks, just saying. So yeah, women, learn to love yourself so you'll be able to love other women. Don't be jealous, don't be envious or any of that stuff. Just, you know, y'all know, love is the positive, most beautifulest thing you can have in this world, and that's what makes the world better. That's what makes the world grow. That's my tea time. I'm gonna go, y'all. I'll see y'all. Music playing a little bit, but look at this basket. This is so cute. It'll be $2. Here's another one, y'all, but they playing music, so I'm trying to keep it cut short. I might get that. Costumes galore, y'all. Costumes galore. Let's see. Look at all these costumes. For all you costume lovers, for your kiddos. They don't have a lot, y'all, but I'm going to show y'all some pictures that I might get. This is in a box. Hold on, y'all. I'm going to try to show y'all. This will be $2. I think these are super cute. I was thinking like for the bedroom. Try to group them together. Really cute. So I'm deciding on this. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. And y'all, I found a couple of these. I'll show you guys. I'll show y'all once I get out of here, because they got music playing and stuff. I don't want to get copyrighted. Look at all these rugs. These are good quality rugs. All in the corner. Different prices. You got like $75. Look at this one. Really pretty. Come check them out, y'all. BINS Treasures. Goodwill. They got music playing. I'm just going to turn around and show y'all some little bitty sculptures. Really, really cute. Y'all, let's just get into this lovely haul, y'all. Okay, so the Goodwill that I went to that you guys seen before this, I didn't get nothing out of there. But I did on my way home from work stop at another Goodwill, which I'm glad I stopped there because I found some, I found only 2 things. I'm going to show them to you. Guys, I told you I've been on the hunt for a black cardigan. This is by Ann Loft. Well, Loft, I guess, whatever it says. Loft here. And blue was half off. So this was $7.99. I got it for $4 and some change. It doesn't have any pockets, but I love the fact that the arms are all the way down, and it has where it folds at the wrist, and it's long, and then it has like the collar like this, but it doesn't have any pockets in the front, but it's okay. She's gonna still wear it. And I don't know if you guys can see, it has like ridges in it. It's like some kind of former up on the shoulders and then out in front of your chest. So I got that, which I really, really like. I'll probably show you guys tomorrow or something, you know, how it looks. Because I might wear it tomorrow. Y'all already know. Buy it yesterday, wear it today, or buy it today, wear it tomorrow. Okay, so the last item I got from there was this white rug. And I don't know if you guys can see how it has it's really, you can smell that somebody just washed it. So yeah, I'm going to wash it again, but I'm just saying it smells good. It has like a trim border around it. It was really nice. And this is really, really fluffy. And this was $4.49. So I couldn't complain about that. It's a nice size. So y'all already know. I'm going to take the flat one that has like the, that little stitching that I put in the bathroom that I got from the other BINS place. I'm going to take that one out of the bathroom, put it in the kitchen in front of the sink area, because it has more like a decoration on it, and it's not like a fluff, and y'all know it's getting cool. So I would rather have this fluff one. This one is actually bigger than the other one, so that's going to be nice once I wash it, put it in the dryer, fluff it out. So I got that from Goodwill. From the BINS, y'all, I picked up these 2 head bandanas. One is like a pinkish coral rust colored peach. If you guys can see, they have bows on it. These were 50 cents each, and I love the fact that this is cotton. I got a black one. These were originally $10 from Target, if you guys can see that. But it has like a little bow on it. You see that? So when I want to wear my hair back in an air fro or whatever, I can put me some little bandanas. These are super, super cute. So y'all, this is what I didn't show y'all that I'm happy about. Guys, I found my 2 gold frames for the back room. Right in the center of the top of those other ones. That is where these are going to go. Remember I kept telling y'all I was looking for some? How come I found the same size? Guys, nothing's wrong with it. Not missing any pieces. This has all the things in it. It has the whole, you know, brand new sticker on the back and all that kind of stuff. This one does not, but it's not missing anything. So I got these. $2. I spent $7 in there. That is not bad. And I told you I've never been on a Thursday. So, okay. They give me this really nice cute bag too, y'all. This Christmas bag. I will be gifting this to somebody. Even though I don't celebrate the holidays like that. Just say if I just buy somebody something that do celebrate it, I can give them this nice, beautiful bag. So, yeah. And, guys, I did pick up these pictures. Let me put my glasses on. These pictures are called Crenissa 2-panel modern artwork. Brand new. So they came in a box like that. I'll pull them out. And I didn't even realize it has like a bag that has your hardware on it, so I'll be using that. But guys, these are beautiful. The frame, I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, and it has a leveler inside the packet too. But guys, these frames are black, like a black wood color, or wood. They're wood, but they got like an engraving on it. And these are the prints. So I'm thinking, y'all, because they're so mid-century modern, I'm either going to put these in the bedroom or I'm going to put them behind the chair, the new wide chair in the living room. So I don't know, y'all, but these are super, super, super cute. What do y'all think? She scored, right? So the whole box, the whole package was $2. So guys, these are all the items that I got today. I love them all, and I hope you guys did too. Let me know what was your favorite piece. And this is like a board in there. I don't know if it's glass or not, but it's a board. But they're really, really cute, y'all. They're so super cute. They're different, unique. I've never seen that like that. But guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Let me know, did y'all like everything? Or did you like one thing or particular thing? I don't know, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all. Bye.